Fix fltlib.dll is either not designed for Windows or it contains an error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Solution 2. Install Windows updates. Solution 3. Perform a malware scan. It is possible that a malware infection may be the cause of fltlib.dll is either not designed for Windows or it contains an error message. Solution 4. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Solution 5. Repair Install Windows.